Do you have white wine?
No, I haven't. Cheers. What was that? It's a good one. Yeah. Okay.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to the Crème Kitchen. We are going to feature a fabulous Italian recipe today. I have my kids begging for Alfredo all the time. I'm gonna put a little spin on it though, because you know, I like spins. I'm gonna do an Asiago cream sauce, and to top off this pasta dish, I'm gonna have some truffle oil, some butter, and some crispy breadcrumbs. It is going to be divine. So the pasta I'm going to use is tagliatelle. I like it, and for some reason my mind always goes to truffle when I think of tagliatelle. Don't you think? I do want to start with my breadcrumbs. I made a sandwich for the kids yesterday, and I do the ciabatta bread, but you know, just so you can get more filling in your sandwiches, you want to take out the middle of the bread. So I saved the breadcrumbs from the ciabatta. This is about a half cup, would you say? And I have my pan heated. My skillet is heated on medium-high heat because I want to toast these up. And these are nice, fresh breadcrumbs. And it's in all different kinds of sizes. They don't have to be real tiny because they're fresh. So our pan is heated up. I'm going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. And for a half cup, I'm going to melt 2 tablespoons of truffle oil into our butter. And then we're going to toss in our bread, our ciabatta breadcrumbs. Oh, that smell. I have the water getting ready to boil for my pasta, and we're gonna start working on our Asiago cream sauce. I'm gonna shred about a cup of Asiago cheese, and I'm actually gonna shred more because I wanna have some for the topping after my pasta's done. It'll be so good. I wanna grate about a 1/4 cup of red onion. There's a lot of strong flavors in our breadcrumbs, which is our garnish. So I want an added kind of layer to the cream sauce with this red onion. So now all I have to do is grate my 2 garlic cloves. Actually, I think I'm just gonna mince them. I'm kind of done with the grater. All right, let's check our pasta water, see if it's boiling yet. Ooh, yeah. The bag says 7 minutes. I'm gonna do 6 because I like it al dente. I'm gonna make sure I set some pasta water aside because that's my secret ingredient in all my pasta dishes. All right, pasta's boiling. I have 6 minutes on the timer now, and we're gonna start our Asiago cream sauce. So I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of butter in my skillet. Okay, well, it's not really a skillet. And to that, I'm gonna add my onion first, then my garlic. Once your onion and garlic has softened in the butter and the garlic becomes really fragrant, that is when, and it's before the garlic burns, that's when I want you to put your 1.5 cups of cream in. Once we have our cream in, we're gonna bring it up to a simmer, and we'll let it simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then we'll add our cheese. I put about 4 ounces of the Asiago cheese into our cream mixture, and I'm gonna let that melt and simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes, and then the tagliatelle pasta goes directly into our sauce. I'm gonna drain my pasta, making sure to set aside some of my pasta water. I'm gonna season our cream sauce with some salt and pepper. I'm gonna use about a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt and a 1/4 teaspoon pepper. You don't need too much salt because we have our cheese in there. Okay, time to add our pasta. right.
Now I'm hungry.
Yeah. The thing that's going to bring this dish together is the addition of the pasta water. I know you guys thought 1.5 cups of cream, that's a lot, but the pasta water is what helps make it not so heavy and helps that sauce really come together and cling to those pasta noodles. I'm going to add about, you know what? I'm going to add 1/2 cup. I think I'm going for it. Don't you think?
Yeah, I like the lighter sauce.
Yeah. Okay. We have our pasta tossed in this amazing Asiago sauce. Let's sprinkle some extra cheese on top because why not? The Frenchies love when I do this because I throw cheese everywhere and they love to eat it up. So they're always at my feet. If you guys could smell these, you'd be thanking me. Get every last bit. Please. The only thing left is a little bit more garnish, okay? I like a little bit of color. I like a little bit of freshness. I have some baby basil leaves from my garden. Oh, I mean, that's so adorable. Well,
Let's dig in.
are we gonna dig in? Are you gonna dig in? This is what I call family style.
Yeah.
Honestly,
This
we
is just
would,
for us,
yeah,
right?
we would just have everybody help themselves.
That is ridiculous. How are the breadcrumbs?
Amazing. Wait, are we still recording?
Yeah.
I hope you know by our expressions that this is actually really, really good. So please go try it. We love having you in our kitchen. I hope you're staying nice and cool. We are, because we closed all the drapes. We wilt. Us Dreesen girls, we wilt very easily. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'm excited to have you in my kitchen next time.